I looked up towards a grey sky, and a mercy drop fell in my eye. So I began to wonder where on earth fell the raindrop which first took birth. At some distance was a merry child, jumping in the mud and running wild. Poor being will have a reason to be sad. His mother will not bear the mess he had. I too once have had a bath of rain that came from roof to path, and I was cold to the fill. I was wet and I fell ill. It heals to hear this tip-tap, this sound of rain in nature's lap. So where it began to rain first, I want to know, I have a thirst. I cannot wait and see it flow. I must walk now, there are miles to go, to see the sky on a level of glory, to witness a wonder and pass on the story.